way, in my opinion. So here's the limit order here. Let's put in the nice funks. So now you have a way to put in orders as well. That's crazy, dude. This is all free. All free because I believe in you. Let's go. Let's go. Lock in every single day. I'll lock in too. I'll just keep building. I build everything here live, free on YouTube, because I believe code is a great equalizer. I believe if you see everything I see, you can be way, way more than me. I showed you all of the code here, dude. Here, let's do a quick little walkthrough of this full system. Remember, the full system is lit right here. Okay, it's written right here. It's the research, backtest, and implementation. Welcome to the Harvard Algorithmic Trading with AI repository. This is an open source project. Teaches you how to become an algorithmic trader by following a systematic approach to automating trading strategies. Most people face poor judgment, high emotions, wasting of time with little profit. So I propose a different system to approaching trading. Do not trade until you have researched and you've back tested enough to find things that actually work in the past, and then have those things that work in the past run with a robot. Do not let your emotions get in the way. Don't crank up that leverage. Don't stare at that chart. None of that. Stare at this code. This repo has everything in it. The full RBI system. I showed you all of the places in order to research. I showed you how to use AI and coding to build trading bots. I showed you everything. The prerequisite to this is Harvard CS50. Go watch that. The introduction to computer science. If you understand that, you will understand everything. These are some Python packages that are super important to know. Learn pandas, dude, right now. Thank you. Backtesting.py is how I backtest. Why Finance is where you get free daily data, TA-lib, indicators for finance, CCXT if you want to connect to other exchanges. Okay, so I made 3 different folders here. The R is where we start. This shows you all of the places that you can go ahead and come up with unlimited strategies. Those strategies then can tee off an idea that will allow you to then see if, hey, did this work in the past? You use a backtest. We'll get to that here in a second. But here's a list of great books that you can pull unlimited ideas out of. And then the Chat with Traders podcast and the Market Wizards books, dude, there's unlimited ideas. Okay, that's all in the research folder here. Okay, then we have the backtest folder here. Here's some sample data I put in there for you so you can have it. And then I also gave you the Hyperliquid data source here where you can pull a couple months of data for free without any API keys. The README will show you all about backtesting. And then the implementation. I put my bot.py. You can say this is a template. I did not do the debugging yet because I don't want you to focus on the bot until you go ahead and you do the backtesting and research. Once you have the research and backtesting, this is a full template of a bot here. And I included my nice funks that took me years and years to build. So you have everything that I've spent multiple years on. You know my entire system. It all comes down to the R, the B, and the I, RBI system here. This is all free on moondev.com. This explains the full system. It answers a bunch of questions. There's a roadmap, there's resources, a Discord community, frequently asked questions. Everything I can give you, I try to give you here, dude. And if you need more, of course, I have the boot camp, and that's 100% money back guarantee forever. So it's actually 90-day money back guarantee. You should be able to make a decision by then if you want to join that. Please feel free to. I made it very inexpensive because I don't want you to waste any more money. You have the bot, you've got the nice funks. Let me go ahead and make sure all of this GitHub is added to the GitHub. Git add dot git commit all the code for Harvard algorithmic trading class. So you can see I have my .env example, my ignore, my bot.py, and then I'm going to say git push. And this is now finished. You have all of the code on GitHub. Let's go ahead here to Harvard Algorithmic Trading with AI. And you can see you have the research, the backtest, and the implement. So implement is where the bot and the nice funks are. You understand everything. If you did not take Harvard CS